This week I kept my eyes very open and I found on the street couple components that are quite handy. I'm talking about this motor. This was a motor from a washing machine. I want to replace the pulley, so use my super force to remove it, and I will put the part away for future projects, because this pulley, you never know, maybe comes handy later. Now I want to replace the front side of the motor so that I can insert this. This is a drill chuck that I took apart from a drill press and is secure in place just because it's press fitted on this cone shape of the spindle. So I just have to replicate the same shape also on the front side of the motor. So the diameter are almost the same, so I just have to use a file while this motor is spinning, and after 5 minutes this is the result. You can already see that the front side of the motor now has a cone shape. I just to hammer very hard the chuck on the front of the motor, but this is firmly secure. Now I also found this is a secure safe that I found also on the garbage, in the garbage bin, and this is locked. I don't know why they throw it away, so let's see what's inside. Maybe there are some money. Let's cross the finger and see what's inside. You can see already that the metal is quite easy to cut, even if it's stainless steel. It's so thin that in 5 minutes I cut it open. There's nothing, unluckily there's nothing inside, there's only the circuit, and I can already see that somebody has tried to push it open and break the circuit. So it's just a matter of pushing with my finger to open the lock from inside, and now we can open the safe. My idea is to remove all the components that aren't necessary. I'm talking about the circuit and the lock mechanism because I want to have much more space as possible, because my idea is to secure the motor of the washing machine inside the safe. So I have to find the center of the safe, and now I will use some very big drill bits so that I can drill holes through the stainless steel. These are very useful for cut very thin material like this stainless steel sheet. After 4 seconds I already have the hole. I leave you with some music so you can enjoy the process.